Hi guys, today we're gonna do our eyebrows and our upper lips. And if you want to know how I do my eyebrows at home, keep watching. Basic main thing I use to do my eyebrows at home is this thread. It's a very good quality thread. It's from Organica, but I don't do it like this. I don't use my fingers to do this because my hands are kind of sensitive. So I use this clip. I've got this online from Amazon, and it's a clip where you tie a thread around it from here till here, then here, then here, and then you, after tying a thread, and you twist it in the center, and you just do this thing where you thread your eyebrows. But in this you just have to do this motion. I'm gonna tie a thread on this right now. Let's take a certain amount of thread. This much will do, and chop it off. Now we're gonna tie it from on the one curved end. Twist it a lot, not excessively though, because we have limited thread now in our hands. So we're gonna make a knot, tie the knot, make a knot here, strong knot. Try to twist it twice or thrice, I suggest, and get rid of the excessives. And then before you turn back, twist the thread on your finger like this. Want to have more twist, you can go for it. Now pull the thread. Now loop it from here. Now open the clip, close the clip. Doing this motion repetitively, keep doing it so that no thread is loose. This thread should be as tight as this thread. Now after you show that the thread is tight enough, keep pulling it and tie it here, and then make a knot like this one time. Now we're done like this. See the thread? First and foremost, the most important thing is to tie back your hair. And next, the very important step is this. After tying your hair, apply some eyebrow pencil and shape your eyebrows. Actually it is just to mark the areas you don't want to go over with your thread. Make an L shape from here till here so that you know how much you want to get rid of. Then mark it like this. Make a line. You don't have to fill in your eyebrows because obviously you're not gonna go inside the eyebrow. I want to have a higher arc this time. What you should have this clip with the thread attached. You should have a tweezer like this, because tweezer is very important. Tweezer actually gives a more cleaner, more finer shape to your eyebrows, so you should always have a tweezer with you. I have this spring, which is used for upper lips, and you can use it for your forehead as well as center of your nose, and it is easily available on Amazon, and it is very handy tool if you want to travel and you're worried that your upper lips are going to show up sooner, and if you have dark hair like me on face, it's very hard for you to do anything outside because you're constantly worried about this. You can always have a tweezer, and as well as this, because if you have very fine hair on your face, it'll be very hard for you to get them tweezed. So it is very good tool. You can just rotate it like this, and it cleans the area you want to get rid of any hair. You can have this as well, but this is not great for the fine edges of your eyebrows. And last but not the least, a scissor. So let's get started. I'm gonna start on this eyebrow. First, hold down your eyebrow like this so that you know which is the excessive hair part, and make sure the hair gets trapped in between this. The hair comes like this, and then when you tweeze it, get trapped between the threads. Hope you understand what I'm saying. Okay, let's start doing this. It might be a little bit painful, but trust me, it's better not to shave because sometimes skin react to it. It might appear it's red right now, but it's not hurting me at all. But I'm used to the pain. If you're not used to the pain, you can easily use a plucker. Use a tweezer for the sensitive areas, like right now. Now for the lower part, you can use thread if you are okay with using threads and you're comfortable enough. And if you're not comfortable enough, use tweezer. For this you have to have a very handy mirror. Now very smoothly pull back your eye with one finger down and one finger upwards with your eye. Make a V, and this is a clear area. You can go over with your thread. Or if it is very difficult for you to go over thread between your fingers, just pull back your eyebrow like this or this. Try not to pull any sensitive hair. First we're gonna do this portion. It will be more painful than the upper area, so be more alert. Get rid of any excessive hair, any fall-offs with a brush. Now for the center of your eyebrow. Square upwards. Place a tongue under the area you want to get rid, under the area you want to get over the thread. This will elevate the area and it will be more focused. We can easily remove the hair on that area. can use this spring as well. It's less painful. It can get more finer here compared to thread sometimes. Sometimes thread does the better work. If you have excessive hair, pull back your hair like this. There will be ends coming out. Get rid of those hair, because these hair will come down and make your eyebrow look sad actually. That's it. So this is the final look. I hope you like the way we use the thread with a clip like this. I don't know what is the exact name of this, but I will try putting the link for this tweezer. Hope you like this video and do give me the feedback in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.